Good morning, guys! Nag-snow, guys, sa Abril, no? Ang Abril, guys. Even the birds are confused. And yes, I'm still wearing the same thing, guys. So, pasensya na kayo. And today is Saturday. Buti na lang, Han. It's good. It's Saturday, Han. People are not working, sleeping. No, and this one...
People working.
You're not supposedly be in there, babe. Get down the bag. Do you want something, Han? You sure?
Yeah.
Now eat your food, ha? That seafood over there, that's gonna go bad.
That's why you're supposed to have it.
No, I told you. Magkape po tayo. And kasi alas 9 na malapit. Ano na, 8:38. O, diba? And then kasi, naghintay ako kay Mr. Guys. Oh, Tommy is making some fresh juice. I thought you have juice in the refrigerator.
Yeah, I thought you threw something out already, so I figured before they go rotten, we'll make juice, put them in the grill. I saw some of the garbage.
Huh? It's bad.
Yeah.
You wanna use the bad one?
That's what I figured. You threw it out.
Can I do it?
No.
Come on, let me do it. Hold it. Let me do it, love. Come on.
What are you doing?
I don't do anything anymore. Come on, let me do it. I vlog. Come on. Let me do it. It should be washed before doing it anyway.
I watch it. Oh, the orange?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not doing the skin.
My forever. Hala, I forgot. I need to squeeze this. Loving you. How many you did, Han? Wow, it's half already. Properly. There you go. I think 3.
What?
I think it's 3. It's fine.
When you hear the door.
Let me see. Go. Nag-lock man, eh. Hello, eh. Oh, somebody plow. That was this morning. I heard. I said, somebody's plowing. I guess it's snowing. So I opened the window over there. Look. It's snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. It's nice. Look, ang ganda, guys. And look at the tree. Nice, oh.
Yeah.
This tree right there, guys. Look at that tree, guys. Oh. Look, it's pretty.
Problem is the window blowing all off.
Yeah. Murag parang wala naman talaga ako dito, guys. Kwinta sa bahay na ito, guys. Wala na talaga ako ginawa, guys. Si Tami natutulog na. Natutulog na, liligo na, guys. Ready to shopping na daw siya, guys. Ipag-shopping daw tayo ng luggage, guys. Sabi ko kay Tami, Tami, nag-snow man sa labas, dong. Ayaw kong maligo, dong. Ayaw kong maligo. At saka mahangin-hangin pa, guys. So, ang gagawin ni Mirian is magtampisaw yun, hugasan lang hugasan lang natin yung baba, guys. Kasi ayaw ko maligo, guys. Ang taas-taas, ang haba-haba ng buko, guys. And din basta ayaw ko man siya i-dryer. So magkasakit ang aking kalikuran. Sabi ko kay Tami, dong, maligo ka dong mamaya. Bilisan ko naman dong, magtampisaw naman ako dong. Sabi ko kay Tami, dong, maglinis tayo sa driveway. Sabi pa ni Tami, pag inusara nito. Sabi ko, sa driveway dong, na-snow dong. Tara dong, sabi pa niya, mag-melt niyan mamaya. Mag-melt mamaya kasi ang temperature man pataas mamaya. And then bukas, basta mag-melt daw yun, sabi niya, bahala ng ice, bahala ng slushy man, guys. So mabigat siya linisin. Wala na kaming pakialam, guys. Pasamir na tayo, and then ganito yung buhay. Paminsan, guys, alam nyo, Mayo, April ngayon, no? Paminsan, Mayo, may snow pa. Pero paminsan lang yan, once in a while. Once upon a time. Pero yun siya. So, kaya, masaya naman pag may snow, guys. No, masaya siya. Beautiful outdoors. Beautiful outdoors. Beautiful in my eyes.
See the driveway.
It's a drama. Oh, my goodness. Slowly, love. What?
Looks like I'm pressing on the gas, it's not going.
No gas? Seriously, Han? You don't know? Han! Slowly, I said.
Shut up, please.
Look, drive careful. Wow, you're like something. Let me drive, eh?
No bee.
Why no one clean our area? Oh, because they thought there's no more snow.
Too soon.
Huh?
Too soon.
Slowly, love. Just drive careful, please. Makes me just listen to your wife sometimes, huh? Huh?
I'm in the car 2 minutes. You put it out my
Because it's slushy. Look, it is slushy, Han, and people should drive very slow. Remember?
It's icy, so you slide. See, if I slam on the brakes, we'll go sliding right into that tree.
Sometimes ang bugiro kay kahan, maglagot ko ba?
Which way are we
Maglagot.
going to?
This way.
Okay, going to Kipsy area.
Yes. Slowly drive. I don't do close to that woman. She is afraid, Han. Hana, is slippery, Han?
Yes, one slide.
Hala. Slowly. Brake, Han.
Over here, huh? Seriously? Braking is when you slide.
Really?
Yes.
No, the woman is slowing down, honey, because she's afraid to love.
Fine. Let her slow down. I'm not hit there.
You are trying.
Trying to hit her? Okay.
What is this? Sabi ko kay Tommy, we're not going out because of the weather.
We are going out because of the weather.
And he is... McDonald's! We never ate McDonald's for a long time. If I know pa lamang, I never gayud. No, this is what Tommy driver doesn't pay attention, oh. You're shocked.
What do you want me to do? Still stay a mile behind us because they think the sun is good. Pay attention.
So this is a crazy thing. I never expect this weather today. Honestly.
No,
It's very unpredictable. Like I thought it's just going to rain a little bit.
it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unpredictable.
You're singing, love.
Look.
You're singing.
34,000.
Holy love. So, andito na kami sa TG Maxx, guys. Hanap tayo ng anik. Tara.
Seriously?
It's always been like that, honey.
No, it's not.
Where? Oh, it's over here too more. Parang this one is parang to. Strong ito. Tama, kasama natin si Tamimoy, no? I like this one. I need bigger. This is very small. That's small. I don't want white.
It feels stronger.
No white for me. Okay, let's do that. Ito yung gusto ko sana. Kaso si Mister, gusto man yun siya.
Your call. You want to chance it with 29 and get 29, but
I'll do that. Okay.
we respect.
Okay, let's go.
I'm sure.
Which color?
This one, not the silvery one.
Ah, you want the silvery one?
I'm not traveling.
No,
I'm
but
just asking you.
But you can use it, huh?
No, I'm not going to use it.
No, but when you
Get the
travel.
one you like. 28, correct. Spinner mat.
You like this one?
Fine.
I like that. Okay, let's go.
So you like this one? You're the one traveling.
Naghanap din ako ng laptop bag. Ay. Na si Tami naghanap ng bag, guys. Tapos na ako, guys. Ay, kaloka. Ayaw talaga. I have Michael Kors already bag.
You like that brand, that's why I look at it.
I like that leather. Uy.
So get it.
No, for travel. I don't want to take that. Instead of that, this one. That one.
No, you can't travel with this one.
I can.
No, it's open. You can't. You're gonna wind up losing important shit and it'll be a problem.
kagahin ni mag-ulo. Ito, magbayad na tayo guys. Where is it? It's right there. Yeah. Bayad na tayo eh. I like this, honey. How much is this? 400? The whole set? That's expensive. Tapos na po kami guys sa aming luggage shopping, no? So ngayon si Mr. naihi siya guys. And then sabi ko, umihi ka dun sa tindahan guys. Napabili tuloy ako ng bag na ayaw ko. Kasi ayaw niya akong umalis doon sa tindahan na hindi makabitbit ng yung carry-on na bag ba. Sabi ko, meron naman akong Michael Kors na bag na walang zipper ba, open siya kasi siya, yung parang laptop bag. Sabi niya, wag ko daw dalhin yun kasi baka mawala daw yung passport ko. Totoo naman, pero nagamit ko na yun once. That was 2015 pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas. And ayaw akong payagan ni Tami na dalhin ko yung Michael Kors ko na open. Wala kasi siyang zipper talaga din. So ayaw niyang ipadala sa akin, baka daw mawala yung credit card ko, passport, green card ko, social security kasi dala ko ba. So sabi niya, wag kang magdala-dala ng ganyan kasi pwede yung kukuutin daw. So kaya hindi kami pwedeng lalabas sa tindahan. Hindi kami lumabas ang tindahan hanggat hindi ko mabili yung bag na parang carry-on bag ba, para siyang purse pero waterproof siya guys. May mga zipper, maraming mga pockets sa loob, sa labas. So yun, kinuha ko kahit $40 guys. At naihi siya. So kaya andito kami sa Dunkin Donut at mag-ihi daw siya para hindi siya magmadali kasi magpunta kaming Home Depot. Nandito lang sa likuran yung Home Depot. Siya. Ay, bibili po pala ako ng liso. Since para grass ba. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, magbili na naman ako ng damo para i-refill doon sa mga kinalkal ng skunk na yon. So yun yung gawin ko. Hintayin ko lang si Mister. Ang tagal na, libang siguro. Nagpupo siguro ito doon, baka lurky. So andito na kami, bili ng seeds. We have a big bag of this. Like that, but we need another one because we have now a big Huh? How much? That's expensive. I found that thing for like $20 something. Yes, I did. So, uwi na kami guys, and then I told Tommy to stay in the right side, and my brain it's supposedly in the left. And then I yell at him.
Because I went to the right, like you told me.
So sinigawan ko siya guys kasi I told him to go to the right, and he kept going to the right, and my brain he should be in the left. Sometimes guys, my brain is really damaged. Sometimes Tommy ruined me guys.
But she yells at me for knowing which side is right and which side is left.
Because I really thought I really want you to go to the left, but you keep going to the right.
You keep telling me to go to the right.
Because he doesn't know this area. He doesn't know where to exit. He doesn't know where to go. And this is the place that I always dumpster dive, guys.
For a long time.
That was a long time ago, but I still remember. Brake, love.
Yeah.
Brake, love. Love, brake!
Seriously.
The brake of this car is very different.
Brake is fine.